us for like a half day, and then we were in it once for about 2 days. So, I mean, we haven't traveled through very much.
It's a great city, the Sleuth.
Yeah. I mean, we walked almost the whole, everything within about a 5-mile radius of Hyde Park.
Quite a city, isn't it? You don't like the cities, you like the countryside.
Oh, I like
both, but I do like the countryside more.
We enjoyed London.
We enjoyed London.
Actually,
We like the architecture of all the different. I live in, California. Not a whole lot of old architecture.
And that history. I mean, London's got hundreds of years.
Yeah, so that's awesome.
That's the whole thing, isn't it? They're trying more modern stuff, but very
I don't like when they try the modern
carefully.
stuff. I think they did that in France. They tried to build something.
There's a big new building in Paris. It's a disaster. Nobody likes it. Paris or France. Paris are strange, They have short tempers. There's a big Uber strike now.
Oh, really?
The taxis won't let the Uber cars in. Explosions. We sure have a lot of excitement in our country this week.
Oh, I wouldn't.
We got 2 days in a row. Obamacare passed yesterday.
Oh, it did?
Yeah. And the gay marriage thing passed by 1 vote.
So, say that again?
The gay marriage bill, Supreme Court went through.
In California?
In the Supreme Court.
Oh, in the Supreme Court.
It's going to be.
So is it all the states then, that mean?
It's what?
Would it be in all the states then?
Oh, yeah. They'll try to fight a little minuscule little township.
Yeah.
Those Republicans are out. So Donald Trump is wrong.
I know, that's fascinating.
It's just. It's going to be a headline every day.
Yeah, it is.
He says the most insulting thing. You should put up a wall between Mexico because they're rapists.
Oh, jeez. Be careful what you say, dude. Yeah,
Be careful, you see the nerves.
Well, I
can't
had
say
too much
there's,
money. Money talks, I think.
along the border, I don't know how recently, but for a while, through that whole T1 area, extremely dangerous. I mean, deaths every single day.
Awful.
All the drug lords.
But what's a wall going to do? I mean, first of all, can you do a wall across an entire southern?
Heck, there's a few people out there that might be able to pay for it themselves, but yeah.
You mean like the Koch brothers?
What's that?
He said he bragged on this.
I think that's what happens.
Did you say the Koch brothers?
When you have too much money, that becomes a problem.
I'm just not worried where I'm going.
It's not going to go anywhere.
I'm gonna stage my whole exit according to when you get out. Because I gotta go back and get my. Said prepared to sleep when I got here, but I couldn't sleep because there was all this noise behind me. I just want to. I'm so spiteful. I don't get into fights. This is good. I'm spiteful.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Heathrow Terminal 5.